Hello. Right, so I'm just quickly going to break down today's price action because I took two very good trades. One of them, well, I took a stupid loss, got in a bit riskier up here, then I got in with a good entry model here. And I'm going to explain why it was risky, why this was a good entry model, and why I think this is going to keep going down. This is a previous day's low. I'm hoping it's going to here. We've got news at 3, so I'm going to let it mess around till maybe half 2, and I might just shut them down, and that might be me done for the day. But yeah, I'll break down. So at the beginning of the day, this was a big bullish candle. This was a big bullish candle. This was a obviously coming to this imbalance here. So I thought, could we get a reaction from that? That's what I was wondering. But then on the weekly, we have entered this fair value gap last week. So obviously that's a higher than the previous week. So higher time frame analysis. I was hoping it was just going to react and maybe take out the previous low of the week, which is probably something that might happen. Like one of these movements today. Let's go to the 1 hour quickly. One of these movements today, that probably might be the high of the week. If it's going to be a bearish week, that could be the high of the week. So we'll see. But obviously, there's a lot of news this week, so you can't really guess it. Just got to take what you can in the middle of it all. So coming today at the 4 hourly, we did have, I've got this marked up here, got that marked up. We had interacted with this hour 4 flip zone, and it had reacted to this demand, had reacted to it, and then broke below that. So then that made this an hour 4 flip zone. And then coming to the 15-minute, we had a flip zone within a flip zone, flip section. But yeah, the flip zone from that, obviously you had your 15-minute, I've not marked it up, but you've got your 15-minute zone there that caused a reaction. Caused a reaction and then went down. So I'm like, this is gonna go. This zone's gonna you're gonna get a lot of movement from here. That's my zone. All this now is just internal liquidity. That's your week low, the previous day's low, and that's what I'm wanting to see go today. Yeah, I wish there wasn't jolts because I would have just decided to let it run, but we'll see. We'll see what it's like when we get to that. So yeah, I'm coming in. I'm looking at London. We've had this big push up, the Asian range expansion into this 15-minute flip zone. So I'm like, right, this is where I'm going to go short. I took a stupid loss because I'd highlighted this entire zone and there was like an entry model here just before London Open. Rookie mistake. Just be wary if you are entering before London Open. Like, yeah, I took it. I've knocked it off for some reason, but yeah, I took an entry there, stop loss there. It just powered straight through. And looking back, my reasons for that was it took this liquidity here. So I thought it's taken liquidity, it's taken structural liquidity, it's going to head down, but it just needed more liquidity. So come up here, we've had this flip, that failure, we've had the reaction, the failure. Come to the 1 anyway now, come to the 1. So we had that flip, the reaction, the failure, tap back into here, then that swept that, come down. We then had a reaction to that, and then if you zoom in, that reaction was swept there, and then it traded back into this. I entered a bit earlier, but this would have been out. I should have approached it. It's something I need to work on daily. That would have been my entry zone. Very, very aggressive. The only reason I took this is because I was just expecting it to go down. I just didn't expect it to go anywhere further. Like we've had supply failing, like that demand. I mean, we've had demand failing. That supply got absolutely blasted through. And I'm like, right, that's a sweep. I thought this was the original sweep. I thought, right, that's a sweep. So then got involved, rid it down. And then when we got to here, I've not even marked it up. I've looked at it visually. So when we got to here, I've had that swept. What did we have? What did we have here? I can't remember now. What did we have? We had a reaction and a sweep. Yeah, so we had a reaction there. Is that the reaction I looked at? Reaction, sweep, pulled into here, come down. It might have been here actually. Apologies, this is not good. Yeah, it was this one, sorry. So we had a reaction there, full sweep of that zone, all this, and then a tap back into this here. Now I could have missed this. I could have missed it, but I included that imbalance there. I included the imbalance. It literally tapped in as it started moving away. Like, yeah, that's my trade. So entered on that one, and as you can see, both running pretty well. Took partials off this one at 5R, 80%, so that's 4K banked. Obviously a 10R trade. This one's running at 12R. For some reason, I don't know what happened with FTMO, but that should be like, yeah, that should be a lot more than what it is now. It's only running at like 1,000 grand and a half, which I don't know why, 'cause I put half risk on, which is strange, which I don't know why that's happened. I definitely entered around there, which I've been a bit confused about. It should at least be 2 grand, 3 grand minimum. Like, yeah, what's that? That should be 2.5 by 2.7. Yeah, so no idea what's happened there. I must just be trading too good for FDMO. But yeah, that's just my analysis for today. Looking at the future, I would like to see this keep heading down. Looking at the news, we've got jolts heading down. Actual greater than forecast is good, so it's been forecast forecast better. So that could be good for currency if it comes up higher than that. Then if it's greater than forecast, or if it's in line with actual, then that'll be good for currency because they've changed it up. So yeah, I'm hoping that's good. It's probably lower. I actually don't know. I'm not an absolute wizard with fundamentals. I'm not even that good with them. But yeah, I'm not sure if they will actually be good. To be fair. So maybe not listen to it too much on that. But what I'm thinking of at the minute, if that comes up higher than that, it's Christmas. There should be loads of job openings. So I'm hoping that's going to be good. Like loads of people are taking on for Christmas. And yeah, that's that. So that's my trade for today. Any questions about it, let me know. That's just really a textbook kind of day for me. Very aggressive here, but got in with a good entry there, which I was happy to take. So yeah, obviously getting a little bit of pullback here. I'm hoping this pullback's probably just going to trade into here and then keep going down. Could get another entry on there, but I'm going to leave it for today. I'm up now after a terrible morning, but don't like to take a trade that close to jolts. Right, let me know what you think. See you on the next one.